Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back to our channel. And today we're having pulled pork. All right, super excited for this meal today. So attempted to do our own pulled pork. So this is how it came out.
That's good.
Yeah. Doesn't look bad, right? It looks legit. It looked kind of dry, right, when we pulled it apart. But after putting the sauce on it and the barbecue sauce, it looks pretty good. It looks like legit.
Yes, this too. If you guys haven't been to Famous Dave, I like this sauce. It's so good.
I think Famous Dave is not everywhere, right?
Oh yeah.
I don't think it's in California. I know that. But yeah, if you guys ever get a chance to go and try out Famous Dave's barbecue spot, it's pretty good. Try their what is it called? Devil's Spit. Yeah.
It's like a spicy barbecue sauce.
Yeah. We also got some fries as well. So yeah, let's get it. All right. So first bite of it wasn't as bad. It's pretty good. It is kind of tough a little bit, the meat, right? Because how long did we have it in the oven for? Like a couple hours, like 4 hours. Yeah, we had it in for 4 hours, but the barbecue sauce is it's kind of nice. Has a good heat, good kick to it. I think that's why it's called Devil's Spit. I don't really like the tanginess from barbecue sauce, but this one, the tanginess is not overpowering. Like it's kind of like mellow in there, and it has the heat like to back it up. So it's not bad. It's pretty good. You gotta have ranch with your fries.
I'm just using the sauce.
Or French fries?
Mhm.
That's good.
Mhm.
So what do you think about it?
Came out pretty good for my first time making it.
Mm-hmm. I'm not really a pulled pork guy, but I eat it once in a while. You know what I mean? Like I said, it's the barbecue sauce that they use.
Yeah.
It's like they soak it in there like it's soup. You know what I mean?
Well, when we baked it, it wasn't like in barbecue sauce still, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. So we did marinate the pork with mustard, right?
Mm.
Yeah, we put mustard on there. Well, it's not bad.
I think we just used the wrong cut of pork.
Pork?
Yeah.
What was that?
Huh?
What kind of cut was that?
I don't know.
Was that shoulder?
I think so.
But I think pulled pork is mainly the butt part, right?
I think
The
so.
pork butt. Must be a juicy butt then.
Huh?
Is that you?
No?
And pulled pork too is messy. Like it's real messy. I don't know. Sometimes I'm like, you know what I mean? Like it's everywhere. Like you're biting into it and like half of the meat falls out from your bun. So like what the heck? I think one day we'll buy a smoker. One day. And we'll smoke it for like overnight or something. For like 8 hours.
I don't think you smoke it overnight.
You don't? To get real tender?
I think the recipes I saw were like up to 10 hours.
10
or
hours?
Something. 10, 12 hours. I don't know. But it wasn't overnight.
Didn't I like the other hot sauce that they had? They had another one. I forgot what it was, but
They had a lot.
yeah. But I think I like the other one more than this one. This one was good too.
I forgot what it's called.
Getting full? No? Remember that shooting that happened yesterday? It was like a couple of kids playing with a gun in a house. Then it went off. One of the kids died. Yeah. Teenage boys playing with guns in the house. Oh, that's crazy. Pretty sure it's part of their parents' gun, and they got a hold of it. You know what I mean?
How do you know they didn't get it from somewhere else?
Maybe one of the kids' guns. Huh? One of the kids brought it. I don't know. I don't really get to read everything about it.
I was kind of nervous at first.
Why?
Because you know how the recipe said to put all that mustard on it?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Oh, that's a lot of mustard.
Oh, the house smelled like mustard too when it was cooking. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell. But the bell's down here. Click on this one. But we have ours here. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.